This is a long wrench. It's an 18-inch broken pipe wrench and an 1.25 inch pipe. So here, this is the 1.25 inch pipe. Now this is a 14-inch pipe wrench. It fits in there okay, but there's some contact with the adjustment on there. So this is the 18-inch, and it's broken. I put that in an 1.25 inch pipe, and that works out great. Gives me capacity on the lighter side. Now this is a 24-inch pipe, which just won't fit in the 1.25 inch pipe. So we go up to an 1.5 inch pipe. Now the 24-inch won't fit in that either. So we would have to go to a larger pipe or regular wrench. And the 18-inch fits in there pretty good. Same thing. To fit it in all the way, there's a problem with the adjustment hitting the pipe. What I've settled on is the 18-inch pipe that I either found broken or I broke it myself, and the 1.25 inch black iron pipe. And this works great for breaking loose medium-sized pipes that are been together a long time that are stuck.